Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the electronic parking brake in your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So basically guys, in order to be able to use your electronic parking brake, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. All you need to do guys is click on this button right here. So just make sure you are in the parking mode. Press your brake and then switch the mode to parking mode and not neutral mode, because a lot of people make this mistake. They park always with neutral, which is not good for your car. Make sure it's already in the P mode, and then once it's in the P mode, don't let out yet your brake. Click on parking and then you're gonna hear the sound of your brake, and then it will turn red. And if you want to remove the parking brake, it's pretty easy. Again, just give it a click right here, and then while holding your brake, and then you will remove the parking brake. So simple, so easy. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.